breaking updates coming in now. The central government has appointed Shri Narendra Maan, the advocate, as the special public prosecutor for conducting the trial and other matters related to the NIA case on behalf of the National Investigation Agency before the NIA Special Court at Delhi and appellate courts for a period of 3 years from the date of publication of the notification and until the end of the trial. So, Priyank, we have details of where he will be kept. He will be in Tihar jail, and a lot of arrangements have been made there as well. We are told that paramilitary commandos will continue to be deployed there. Tell us the significance of the same, and what are the measures that have been taken at Tihar jail, the interrogation that will be taking place after this?
Yes, Adi Pratibha, because Indian authorities have very clearly stated before the US court that the security of Tahfuz Rana will be at utmost priority. They have also given a detailed account that how CCTV surveillance and the commandos will be there to keep a vigil on the movement of anyone who is coming near Tahfuz Rana. The fact of the matter is that when Tahfuz Rana had claimed that he will be tortured in prison, it was the Indian agency has to counter it. We are standing outside this NIA headquarters, and all the development are expected to happen here itself. What we are expecting that once Tahfuz Rana will be brought here in India, he will be brought at this NIA headquarters, and then the NIA will be formally taking the police remand of Tahfuz Hussain Rana. On the other side, what we have got to know that over the period of last 2 months, the National Investigating Agency has been piecing together all those case documents, which is very important in the case because multiple of the FIRs were also there in Maharashtra, the Delhi RC from the NIA finally started piecing together all these evidences. So since the Ministry of Law has given a go-ahead to the National Investigating Agency in the approval which came around 4:30 yesterday, all the cases which are pertaining to Tahfuz Hussain Rana and 2611 attacks and his involvement in those FIRs will be tried here in the national capital. Once the police remand gets over, obviously he has to be shifted back to Tihar. Delhi has been chosen as one of the locations because multiple agencies will be questioning him. It's not only the NIA, because the central intelligence agencies will also have to take detailed account, because he's the first person who will be brought to India who will be having a detailed account of how the plot happened, how he facilitated things, and how the role of other handlers from the ISI had been involved in this. All we had so far is the account from Kasab side where he had given a detail, but he was the one who was chosen to continue this task. But Tahfuz Hussain Rana is the main plotter of this particular attack and also a facilitator. So at this location, certainly developments are going to happen anytime soon. What we are expecting that before noon, Tahfuz Hussain Rana will be brought here in the national capital.
Absolutely.